What's up, guys? It's Colin here to let you know some exciting news because on November 22nd, this Sunday at 1 p.m. Chicago time, I'm going to be releasing my smartphone video masterclass. Now, there are two things that are really cool about this. The first one being is in this course, I literally start with the worst possible smartphone video setup out there. And then I walk you through each and every step of how to set up your phone, how to light yourself with the lights that are just in your house. I show you all the best practices for getting that footage to look great, and I even show you how to edit it all packed into one course. And the second part is you guys have the ability to watch it for free because it's on Skillshare. Skillshare allows you to click my link, which I'll have when the course releases. You get a free trial of Skillshare, which means you can watch my video, but then you can continue your free trial and go watch the mobile filmmakers at Moment, the people who make those phone camera lenses. They have a course on iPhone filmmaking. You can watch YouTuber Sarah Dietschy's tutorial on how to vlog. You can learn about iPhone photography and how to take more professional photos with your smartphone, and so much more. And I've actually had the free trial right now, and I've been just watching video after video after video, just improving my filmmaking skills. So there is a whole lot of value that Skillshare can bring you, and I'm just happy that I can give it to you guys for free. You can watch my course and all the other courses there on Skillshare. And because you click my link, I actually get a commission because you signed up for Skillshare. I'm really excited for you guys to watch my course, and I'll see you guys on Sunday.